Have you ever seen a different material number in customer sales order and wondered how SAP understands which internal material it belongs to? So today I will explain customer material info record, also called as CMIR, with a simple real-time example and a complete practical demo in SAP. First we'll see what is CMIR. So CMIR stands for Customer Material Info Record. So in simple words, CMIR is used to map the customer material number with our SAP internal material number. So many customers do not use our SAP material codes. They use their own material numbers in sales order. So CMIR helps SAP understand which customer material corresponds to which SAP material. Let's understand with a simple example. Okay, so our SAP material number is MAT1, but the customer calls the same product as CUST1. Okay, so when the customer sends a sales order with material CUST1, then SAP will not recognize it unless we create the CMIR. So using CMIR, we tell SAP customer material CUST1 equals to SAP material MAT1. When do we use CMIR? So CMIR is mainly used when customers use their own material numbers to avoid confusion in sales order and to ensure smooth order processing and billing. Let's see practical demo. Okay. So to create CMIR record, we use T-code as a VD51. Click on enter. On this initial screen, enter the customer, enter sales organization division, then click on enter. Now in the next screen, enter material number. This is our SAP internal material number. Okay. Then mention customer material number. I will mention as CUST1, CUST-A1. Okay. This is a material number used by customer. Now click on enter and save the record. Okay, now customer material info record is successfully created. Now this CMIR data is stored in SAP table KNMT. You can check or validate the record using the table. Okay, so we'll see /SC16N table is KNMT. I will maintain sales organization as 1000. Also I will maintain material. And then execute. Here we can see, okay, our customer material info record data. So this CMIR links the customer material with SAP material. So if this explanation helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow this SAP SD series from basic to advanced. See you in the next video.